In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all form submissions on Squarespace. If you use forms to collect inquiries, quote requests, or newsletter signups, there's a single place in Squarespace where those submissions are gathered so you don't have to chase down emails one by one. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where that hub lives and how to open the master list of everyone who has submitted a form on your site. First, make sure you're signed into your Squarespace site with a role that can view audience data, such as administrator or editor with permissions for contacts. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, you may need to ask the site owner to adjust your permissions. From your site's dashboard, open the contacts area. This is the audience hub for your website. Think of contacts as your centralized address book. It's where Squarespace stores profiles that are created through actions like submitting a form, signing up for emails, or making a purchase. Going here ensures you're not relying on scattered email notifications. You're looking at your live, organized audience data. Inside Contacts, choose Lists and Segments. This view groups your audience into meaningful collections. Lists are automatically generated or saved groups, and segments are dynamic groupings that can change as people meet certain criteria. You don't need to build anything here to see your form activity. Squarespace provides a ready-made list for that. Next, open the form submitters list. This is the all-in-one view of people who have submitted any form across your site. Here, you'll see profiles created from form activity along with key details like names and email addresses when provided by the visitor. It's a unified snapshot, so you don't have to remember which page a form lives on to find the submission. If a form created a profile, it will surface here. A few helpful notes as you review this list. If you expect to see entries but the list is empty, check how your forms are configured. Submissions that are routed only to external services, like certain third-party storage options, might not create profiles and contacts. Also, keep in mind that Squarespace attempts to unify duplicate contacts based on shared details, so you may see one profile associated with multiple form interactions. Always handle this data responsibly. Only collect what you need, and make sure your privacy policy explains how you use and store submissions. That's it. Open Contacts, go to Lists and Segments, then select Form Submitters to see all your form activity in one clean place. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.